What's up, guys? It's Oracle Grower here, working on the old 6.2 diesel, and so I just got these pre-cups all put in, and now I'm putting in these over here. So basically, just I use one of my old pre-cups. Just set it on top like that, and then come back with the hammer and set it in there, just like that. Boom, bam. There's still a little gap. I gotta pound it down in there a little bit more. Okay. Well, anyways, you get the gist. So I got one more to do, except this one's got some funky little. There's a chunk. There's a chunk in there I gotta clean out before I put that in. So I'm getting ready to get these heads back on. Picked up my 9128 PT 6.2 10 over Permatorque head gaskets. So those were fun to wait for, $45 fucking a piece, but totally gonna be worth it. Get this side cleaned up and ready to go. Clean out this side a little bit. Just did a quick little cleanup of the top of the surface. This is obviously shitty, right? In order to get that away, I'm probably gonna have to have the block done, but I don't have that luxury of time. So I'm just doing quick patches here, trying to get back on the road and going again. But so when you're getting these in, you want to make sure everything's really clean in there, so the pre-cup can sit as far down as possible. And these still have a little bit of a ridge here. I mean, spec is 2000s. I've seen some say up to 3000s. Protrusion is okay. Actually, that's what Banks said was 3000s protrusion if you could get. So I'm hoping that these are going to be okay and that the firing is going to seal properly up against the ridge there. Guess I'll find out. I don't know, man. That looks pretty gabby. But they think it's going to be okay. We'll find out. Who knows how long this is going to last, right? But yeah, I'm going to finish getting this last pre-cup in here. And then I got to get all the injectors in here. Get the return lines, everything hooked up. Get this ready to get dropped in, clean it up because there's shit fucking everywhere on it. And then maybe today I'll be putting these bad boys back on. And within the next couple days, be firing up this beast. So anyways, quick little video just showing the pre-cups and stuff and making some progress. Yeah, there it is.